How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your business email over to your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And assuming that you guys want to connect a particular type of email over to your Shopify store, where you'll be getting push notifications as well as email alerts about the going-ons on your store, whether someone makes a purchase, a failed checkout order, or abandoned cart, or what do you call it? CA, cart abandonment, or something of the like. You would need to connect your business email. So to do that is quite simple. Once you guys have your Shopify store open, you want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen till you find the option that says settings. So it's this one right here. So we're going to click on it like so. And you'll see right away that under the store details tab, you'll see that there's an option to edit your store email. So to do so, you simply want to click on the pencil icon to edit it and input the email or the desired email where you want to get receive those push notifications and the going ons of your Shopify store and business. And once you guys have that, simply hit save and you're done. Now, the only step that's left is to verify the email change over with your email account. So if you were on if the email that you entered was a Yahoo account or a Gmail, then you would need to go to their email system and verify. And that's basically it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.